Good morning, my dear friends. Respected Chairman, Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, Advocate Ullas Aurangabadkar sir, Principal Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College Nagpur, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe sir, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Coordinator for this 3 days national workshop and founder of Botany for You, an online platform for the student of life sciences, and our founder members of this platform, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Mr. Deepak Koche, the faculties from all over the nation associated with us, and my dear student participants in this workshop. I, Dr. Nitin Labane, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Maharashtra, welcomes you all for this third and last day of our 3 days national workshop on career opportunities and personality development for the students of life sciences, scheduled from 25th to 27th May 2020 through the online platform Botany for You. As per our today's schedule of the workshop, the technical session includes personality development for grabbing opportunities in higher education and career. This session is divided into 6 lectures, but because of some unforeseen contingency, we will not be able to provide the lecture by Dr. Yogesh Deshpande sir. In replacement of this, we will provide you the missed lecture of the first day. My dear students, you are aware about the importance of personality in our day-to-day life. And you can easily imagine its importance in our career, which is one of the important characteristic or aspect of our life. This means our way to respond, our way to think, our way to plan, our way to understand, our way to recognize, all things will determine our right goal and our success. Keeping this in view, our team of Botany for You decided to include this session on personality development in this workshop. In coming future, we will be in a position to provide many such lectures through our online platform for the benefit of the students of life sciences. And equally, I am very confident and hopeful that this session of the workshop will be definitely beneficial to each and every participant on our online platform, Botany for You. In today's session, we will provide various lectures useful in personality development, which plays a pivotal role in setting and reach the goal in our life. The first lecture will be delivered by Rosina Rana, psychologist and career counselor, head Priyadarshini Center of Excellence, Nagpur, on soft skills. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Shishir Palaspure, psychotherapist and an international motivational speaker from Nagpur, on procrastination. For everyone's kind information, we are providing this lecture through YouTube Live. The third lecture will be delivered by Dr. Amishi Arora, Director, Central Institute of Business Management Research and Development, Nagpur, on personality development. The fourth lecture will be delivered by Dr. Nitin Vigne, psychologist, career counselor and trainer and director, Laksha Aptitude Testing and Career Counseling Center, Nagpur, on career by choice and not by chance. The fifth lecture will be delivered by Dr. Vivek Nanoti, Principal, Priyadarshini Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, on communication skills. The scheduled sixth lecture is replaced by the lecture of Mrs. Vijaya Bhakte, Director and founder of Canvas Clinical Research Services Private Limited, Nagpur, on career opportunities in clinical research as stated earlier. Friends, it is really a matter of pride for me to share such various dynamic and renowned personalities and their knowledge and experiences with you through this online platform. I hope you will enjoy all these lectures in today's technical session. Dr. Pitambar Umne will direct you the instruction wherever necessary during the streaming of this schedule on our online platform, Botany for You. Thank you very much to you all for your kind participation and support. Once again, a big thanks to you all. Kindly enjoy today's session. Thank you.